Late running meridian heads out to TOADMOOR tunnel. In a matter of seconds we'll be passing AMBERGATE junction where the Downton Valley line goes up to Matlock. Meridian running 28 minutes late passing AMBERGATE junction. Some Matlock to Nottingham service coming off the Downton Valley line at AMBERGATE junction. Next stop for him, Belper. No trains just north of AMBERGATE junction, so film TOADMOOR's Grade 2 listed 80 metre long tunnel. They upgraded this tunnel from 60 to 80 a good few years ago now, but it still slows everything.